Good morning, everyone. We are from Kelompok Y. Before we get ready to start, please let me introduce our group. My name is Gilbert Fransucaya Halawa, and my friend's name Adinda Angelita Virajatuni Melsianda. My topic is Longman Complete Course the TOEFL Test. The first material going for my friends.
Yes, the first materi diagnostic listening test to assess integral understanding of conversation and lectures includes various conversation and lectures, requires listening to audio and answering. Multiple choice question. For example, a dialogue about class schedule. Question: what does the woman mean by "I'm not sure"? Two, the second, general strategies for listening conversation. To each activity listening strategies, read instruction focus on keyword and main ideas. Recognize question, difficult answer all question. For example, if asked what does the man mean? Focus on his final word. Next, short dialogues. To improve understanding of short dialogues, short conversation question test implicit meaning. For example, a food discussing question. What does the woman mean by "I'm not sure"? Long conversation. Enhance understanding of long, complex conversation. Longer conversation, multiple question. For example, a conversation about fashion plans question. The question: will when will they go on fashion? Five, long lectures. To improve understanding of short academic lectures, short lecture question test understanding of main ideas and details. For example, a lecture on art historic question. Who created the Mona Lisa? Casual conversation. To help understand casual conversation in formal conversation with accompanying image, for example, friend discussing moving question. What did the man choose? Next.
The next material we are going to Virajatuni.
Okay. Number 7, academic letter. To help understand academic letter with a accompanying image. Example, a lecture on evaluation. What theory did Darwin propose? Yeah. Terus ada diagnostic listening test to assess in understanding of conversation and lecture diagnostic test for the TOEFL listening section. Example, listening to conversation and answer multiple choice question. Okay, structure with right experience. This section use pre and post test paper and computer to assess the ability to recognize correct English sentence structure. Each test consists of incomplete sentence with 4 answer choice. Example, he went to the he went to the store A and bought a book. B, to buy a book. C, because he want to buy a book. Pre and post test paper and computer as reading comprehension through text and multiple choice question. Example, the text, cat are popular pets. Question, what is said about cats? Writing. This section teach strategy for weighting effect TOEFL easy. Essay include structure, connector, and grammar. Example, student learn to write well structure is essay using a appropriate connector and avoiding grammatical errors. Appendix. This section provides additional research alike of homophones, idioms, preposition, and irregular verb from the ancient English language skill. Example, list of homophones help different words that sound alike but have different meaning. More sentence with multiple clause. This part explains how English sentence can include 2 or more clauses. 1 independent clause, a complete sentence then can stand alone. 2 dependent clause cannot stand alone and need to be connected to an independent clause. Type of dependent clause. Adjective clause. Add information about a noun. Example, the book that she bought in is interesting. Adverb clause. Show time, reason, condition. Example, he left because he was tired. Noun clause. Function as a noun, subject, object, or complement. Example, what he said surprised anyone. Use noun clause connect story correctly. Noun clause act as noun in sentence. Common connector include that, what, whatever, who, however, whom, whose, when, where, why, how, whatever, if. Function 1 subject. What you said was interesting. 2 object. I know that she is coming. 3 complement. The problem is that he didn't study. Common error. Using unsay connector. Reversing subject verb order as in a question. Practice. I don't know what does she want. I don't know what he wants.
The next material going to Melcy.
Okay, and then use noun clause connector as subject correctly. In some noun clause, the connector is also the subject. Example, what he did was surprising. How you say it makes a difference. Important, the note invert word order like a question. Use statement structure. Incorrect, where did she go is unclear. Correct, where she went is unclear. Reduced clause and subordinators. Reduced adjective clause remove the relative pronoun and the verb be when possible. The woman who is speaking, the woman speaking. Use ing for active verbs, past participle for passive. The book which was written by her. The book written by her reduced adverbs clause can be reduced if both clauses share the same subject. While she was driving, she listening to music. While driving, she listening to music.
The next material I'm going, parallel structure and comprehension. Parallel structure is grammatical grammatical technique that use preposition to confer two or more things. How to use the parallel structure and comprehension? Use the same grammatical form after conjunction. For example, he likes swimming, hiking, and biking. Period conjunction. Example of a period conjunction is but or and, either or, neither or not only or but also. Example, she is bored, smart, and hardworking. Comparison. Compare equivalent items. Her cooking is better than his cooking. Avoid. Her cooking is better than him. Structure and writing expression post-test. This test review our grammar skill in definitely subject and verb. For forms, complex sentence structure, word order, and modifiers. Tips. Read the full sentence. Identify the main subject and verb. Was for preposition, article, and parallel structure. And the conclusion of this topic is the conclusion of the long main complete course for the TOEFL, talking about comprehensive preparation. This book is designed to provide comprehensive preparation for students taking the TOEFL test in both paper-based and computer-based format. And number 2, skill building focus. The material in this book focused on developing the language skill based in the TOEFL. The 3, strategies and practice. The book not only presents subject matter, but also prefers strategies and tips. Number 4, multimate support. Number 5, suitable for intermediate to advanced learners. Number 6, adaptability. The book attempts to cover both TOEFL test format or paper and computer. Number 7, content and post-content organization. The material is present in structured manner with explaining of concept, exercise, and TOEFL review. accessor in each session to reinforce understanding. And in the last